What's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is moments after he headbutted an officer. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about. Hopefully this is a good one.
3rd, 2023, New Jersey police confronted a man accused of public intoxication.
What's up, buddy? How's it going?
What's going on?
Where are you going? Stay right here. Stay right here.
Choose not to.
Oh, you're intoxicated. Stay right here. I don't want you to get hurt.
Have a seat on the bench right here. What's going on?
No, sir. Yes, sir. I'm going to the restaurant right there.
Where?
I'm going to the restaurant.
What restaurant?
This is my guy from the other day.
Okay. Have a seat.
No.
This is my guy from the other day.
From where?
Sir.
Okay, listen to me. You have an open container of alcohol over there. Step back. You have an open container of alcohol. Listen to me.
Oh, sit down.
I don't know who you are.
Sir.
Okay, but listen to me. I don't know who you are. We want to find out what's going on.
My ID's right here.
All right, perfect. Let me see your right
I'm going
name.
to present my ID.
Perfect.
And I'm not answering any questions.
American flag. Yeah. Okay.
All right, perfect. Let me see
I'm
your right
going
name.
to present my ID.
Perfect.
And I'm not answering any
Okay, I
questions.
don't want you to fall on the street. You're about to fall on the
We're
street.
not going to ask you any questions.
You're about to fall on the street. Sit right down.
I'm good.
Sit right down.
Sir, see your hands up. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch
Stop
me.
walking around before
You
you
guys
fall.
need not touch me. Okay? I'm going to the bar over there. I'm going to order food. You do
Yeah.
not have to answer any questions.
You're not going anywhere.
Sir, please. Officer, please. Just
Are
respect.
you
your
everybody
car?
friends?
What's that?
Where's your car? The Mazda. Where's your Mazda?
It's impounded in the right place.
Okay, perfect. And where you going now?
I'm going to this restaurant and going home.
Okay. Who's at the restaurant?
Nobody. I'm by myself. Listen,
85 West 1011 in Connecticut.
No, sit
do not
tight.
touch me. Do
Sit
not
tight.
touch
Stop moving
me.
around.
Do not touch me. Do
Okay.
not touch
Well, you're not going anywhere right now.
Listen, I have no idea what you're
Okay,
trying to
just
do.
chill.
What are you trying to do?
Chill.
So,
He's about
Back.
He's about to be.
officer. Okay, guys. So, get the away from me, first of all.
Hey.
Yeah.
Chill
What
out,
is going on? Hold up.
I want to find out from you. Listen to me. You're drunk. You're walking around. You're
Guys,
gonna fall, you're going to crack your head.
No, you guys are getting very aggressive.
We're not getting aggressive.
Put your hand down.
I put my hands up.
Put your hand down.
Don't put them down.
Put them down to your side. I'm not kidding with you right now.
No, listen, guys, get away from me. Get away from me.
We're not going
You
anywhere.
guys are being extremely aggressive to me.
He's a 41.
Well, wow. Guys, listen. This is ridiculous.
I told you. Did I tell you? I told you.
Guys, you guys are being insane.
Okay, we got 1 minute.
Sit down before I put you on the ground.
Relax your hands. Relax your hands. Relax your hands. Relax
You
your hands.
guys are being
Relax your
crazy.
hands.
Guys, I hope you really like.
Relax your hands.
Fine.
All right.
You guys are out there.
We're not doing anything. You did this to yourself, right, man?
I mean, not really at all.
Don't lunge at me. Do not lunge at me. I'm saying right now. Don't lunge at me.
Yeah,
Do it again.
That's fine.
Yeah? All right.
Dude, you guys like want to do a head toss in high school or something? Like, get the
Let's grab this arm so I can double
pause this thing. Get the pause it. I'll put myself. Yeah, that's assault.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, don't touch my leg, you stupid.
Bad choice headbutting me.
No, you're fucking okay. Dude, do whatever you want to do. I will.
I grab
Fucking
spit on me too?
Oh, he's bugging.
Do whatever you want.
Yeah. Get him up. Don't lunge at me. Do not lunge at me. I'm saying right now. Don't lunge at me. Do it again.
That's fine.
Yeah? All right.
Dude, you guys like want to do a head toss in high school or something? Like, get the
Let's grab this arm so I can double
pause this thing. Get the pause it. I'll put myself.
Wow.
Yeah, that's assault.
Pause this thing. Get me the out of here.
Woo.
Yeah, don't touch
Oh, yeah.
Stupid.
Bad choice headbutting me.
No, you're fucking okay. Dude, do whatever you want to do. I will.
I grab spit on me too?
Do whatever you want to do.
Do whatever you want. Yeah. Get him up.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah, there you go, boys. Hey, this is you guys, you're doing a great job. Cleaning up crime in this town. Cleaning up crime in this town, you pussy.
Go.
Spit in your face. My face. Go, pussy.
Listen, 100% he gonna get hit with some act right. Guarantee it. If it's not on the street, it'll be when he get down to the jail. He gonna get some act right, boy.
Yo, shoot me. Yo, you guys are weak.
I'm grabbing the
Shoot me in the face.
Let's go.
Yo, film this fight out.
Let's go.
Yeah, you guys are
Pussy, where's your car, Joe? Get your car. Right there. Get your car.
Yeah, you guys are pussy. Get the away from me.
Listen,
Bro, all I'm doing
what
is
you're doing. You're going nowhere. You want to lay on the ground? I'll lay here all day long.
no problem.
All right?
No problem. Hey, somebody film this, please.
Go, grab a car, Dobby.
Somebody film this, please.
Get a car. Tony, get me an 18 for
Get the
investigation. That's the location. Please,
I'm a white guy. You know what I tell you? Get the away from me. You retards. You talk to me like a man.
We tried.
I don't know what you're yelling about.
Yo, you're a retard.
What are you mad about? Getting arrested?
I mean, honestly, not really. I love getting arrested.
Let's get him up.
Hey,
Ready?
Guy says, I'm a white guy. And you're an asshole. Now that we got that established, like, what do you mean I'm a white guy? Like, okay. And, you know, I see a lot of times when I post body crime videos of black people acting a fool, you get those comments that, you know, oh, they're animals and this and that. White people don't act like that. Listen, it doesn't matter. Asian, Hispanic, white, black. There's assholes in every race. It does not matter. It really don't. This guy freaking headbutted. If you want to go with the white, this white man headbutted his own kind. His own people. Come on, man. And they gonna hit you with a dose of that act right. That's guaranteed. You headbutted an officer? Oh yeah. You gonna get it, boy. Yo, you gonna get it. Trust me, you gonna get it, boy.
One,
yo, don't jack me up like that, you idiots. Get the out of here.
What are you doing? That light is spit.
Jesus. Rape!
Yeah. Other side.
Now.
You guys are retarded, bro.
Get in the car.
Are you stupid?
Sit back.
Are you dumb? Sit back. You okay? I will. Oh my God! Wow! Wowzies! Wow! Yeah.
He headbutted me in the head. Or he spit on you?
No.
He headbutted me.
All right. So you're still
Yeah.
playing try assault. You gonna cooperate? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Now you're gonna cooperate?
Where do you want me to go?
I want you to come out of the car.
Which side?
This side.
This side?
Yeah.
Got you.
He like shit himself? Stinks.
I'm not doing shit, dude. You guys don't have to worry about me. Holy.
Hey, what's your name and badge number? Sergeant Curry 131.
Sergeant Curry, I bet your dick is I'm gonna under 4.
Under 4, just make sure.
Hey, listen, Curry, go yourself.
Listen to my sergeant.
Hey, listen, no, go yourself.
You know what? Let's throw him in the cell. Okay. Get him in the cell.
Do it, big guy. Do it. Yeah, beat the shit out of me too.
We're not being out of here.
It is under 4 inches. I knew it. That's why he's gonna get that.
Let's be close.
I knew it. It's under 4 inches.
Sit up. Actually, hold on.
I'm cuffed.
Hold on.
I'm cuffed.
Just like that.
I'm cuffed.
No, I don't want to go in because he's so drunk.
Hey, listen. Beat the out of me. Touch me in the.
What are you doing then?
Touch me in the face. You pussy.
You. What are you?
Yo. You. You're a bitch. Punch me in the face. You guys. Yo. You. Yo, your sergeant is a motherfucker, bro.
He's a great guy.
He's a guy. With a dick that's smaller than 4 inches. That nigga.
Mine's.
Yo, sorry.
I'm saying that.
Yeah, I can't say that. I can't say that. I'm a white man. Yo. Yeah. That.
What is this? fake?
Yeah, no, that is my brother's ski ID. That's my brother's ski pass. My name's Colin.
What's up? Colin, did you shake your pants down?
No, I smell like shit.
Smells like you did.
It does
Yeah, I
smell.
smell like shit.
Is there a reason for that?
Yes, because I haven't showered in 2 days.
Okay.
Sweating out my ass.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Why haven't you showered in 2 days?
I mean, I've just been feeling it. I've just been feeling it, to be honest, sir. You, white guy, white boy. Are you considering bringing my brother into this?
What was that?
Are you considering bringing my brother into this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, why?
That's all I'm
Why?
That's all that
Why?
fucking
Shut the f***. Nobody wants to talk to you.
No problem.
Nobody wants to talk to you.
No fucking problem.
Shut up.
No fucking problem. Oh, yeah, kill me.
Nobody's
Kill me.
killing you.
What are you doing? No.
Uh-oh. That's not comfortable, is it?
Nah, you're gonna stay like that now.
guess.
You can get up by yourself, right?
Almost there. There you go. Right back up.
Oh, my God.
You want to have a seat?
Yeah, bro, my bad. Yeah, both of them.
Have a seat right there. It's right there. Right on me. Have a seat.
You're tweaked. How much you have to drink?
Nah, bro. Not tweaked at all, bro.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.